Hello, this is a video where you have to find the desert plant I talk about in the Huntington Desert Garden. I will be giving some facts about each plant while you try to find them. If you need more time, please pause the video before I go to the next plant. Also, please make sure to look for the little signboard next to the plants to make sure it's the plant you are looking for. Let's start with the first plant, the Echeveria. There are many types of Echeveria, so today I will have you look for the Echeveria imbricata, also known as the Echeveria blue rose, which has pastel bluish pink leaves. They grow up to be 4 to 6 inches in width and 8 inches in height. Echeveria is in the stonecrop family, which is a family of about 30 genera and 1,400 species of low shrubs or perennial herbs. The Echeveria is a genus of about 150 species of succulent plants, with members native to places from Texas to Argentina. Echeveria have water storage tissues in the stems and leaves, making each leaf very thick. This succulent is popular for its symmetrical leaf rosettes and the flower cluster. They take about a year or even more to grow, about 2 to 5 inches in size. Fun fact about succulents. Not only are succulents nice for purifying the air or improving humidity of your home, they also improve your focus and increase pain tolerance, according to a horticultural therapy research conducted by the University of Kansas. They even enhance memory, according to a psychology research conducted by the University of Michigan. The next one will most likely be one of the most known desert plants, the cacti. There are many kinds of cacti, so today I will have you look for the golden barrel cactus, which slowly forms a barrel up to about 2 feet wide and 3 feet high. The flowers are yellow and bloom in the spring. They have a globe-like appearance and are considered to be an endangered rare species. Cacti, which are in the Cactaceae family, have nearly 139 genera and 2,000 species. They are native to most of the parts in North and South America. The place with the greatest number and species is Mexico. Cacti can range from small to large or thin to tall ones. A quarter of the 10,000 species of succulents belong to the cactus family. Rather than having thick leaves, they store moisture in their stems. Cacti, unlike other plants, take in carbon dioxide at night and store it during the day. Their roots are not deep into the ground, some only about 1 to 3 centimeters deep, and depending on the size of the cacti, they can store gallons of water. A fully grown saguaro cactus, for example, can store up to 200 gallons of water. All cacti have flowers but rarely have leaves. Instead, they have stems that take a variety of forms. They can be straight, curved, needle-like, hair-like, round, and more. These spines come to use when animals or poachers try to get cacti, which may lead to their extinction. Cacti also have waxy surfaces that help to stop water loss and can live between 10 to 200 years. The next desert plant is called the Fougeraria columnaris. Also known as the bosom tree, it is a spiny and tall desert plant. They are tree-like succulents with water-storing trunks and branches with tiny leaves. They are native to the west coast of Baja California, specifically the Sonoran Desert. They grow more during cool weather when there is more water. However, they can also survive for years on little rainfall. In the summer and fall, their seeds and flowers appear. Wild bourgeons have been found to be about 70 to 80 feet in height, and cultivated bourgeons are about 10 to 20 feet. Last up, we have the crassula. There are many kinds of crassula, including the crassula arborescens, which looks like this. However, today I will have you look for the crassula ovata, also known as the jade plant. Many people know this succulent as a house plant that is easy to maintain, but they actually become shrubs in warm climates. Crassula plants have a large range of types. Some are woody plants, ground covers, shrubs, or small trees. They are native to South Africa and bloom around spring or summer. Most of the species are small and they take time to grow. They need full sun to partial shade and moist but well-drained soil. Their flower color varies by the species. They are also very hard to kill, propagate from cuttings, and are sensitive to temperature. They might drop their lower leaves when it is too hot, and it will fail to grow or thrive when too cold. Most species of crassula plants are toxic to cats and dogs and can lead to serious illness or even death if enough is eaten. Vomiting, weakness, loss of muscle function, increased aggression, excessive sleeping, incoordination, and depression are some of the symptoms of poisoning. Please take time to look at other desert plants in the Huntington Desert Garden. There are so many interesting and beautiful plants. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this activity.